Apple mint is native to southern and western Europe and northern Africa. In ancient times, apple mint was used for cleaning tables in banquet halls and as a bath herb. Apple mint is a hybrid derived from green mint and round-leafed mint. Apple mint is less evasive than other varieties, but can still be intrusive in its habits. The bright green leaves of apple mint are uniquely round in shape, with slightly toothed edges. Both the leaves and stems of apple mint are covered in fine hairs, hence the name woolly mint. It imparts a fruity aroma with nuances of apple, although it is less mint flavor compared to other culinary mint varieties. When allowed to bloom, it will produce spears of white to pale pink flowers. A good companion plant for any brassica plants such as cabbage, cauliflower, kale, broccoli, and Chinese cabbage. Apple mint will work well as a border for garden areas prone to attack by deer and wild herbivores. It repels some insects such as cabbage moths, aphids, and flea beetles. Keep it away from chamomile as this plant inhibits the mint's ability to produce the essential oils that create the menthol flavor and aroma. It is commonly used as a flavoring for teas and food. It is an important element of traditional Mediterranean medicine with a wide range of uses. Its leaves and essential oil extracts were used to treat gastrointestinal problems and the symptoms of respiratory illness, as well as for their anticonvulsive, antiseptic, and insecticide effects. Today it is used as an anti-inflammatory and a long list of other counteracting properties.